So guys, today I'm going to install a mesh or a screen protector for my grill because as you can see there's a lot of bugs right now in my front bumper. It's pretty common here in Saskatchewan, northern Saskatchewan, especially in the north. There's a lot of bugs and everything flying around in the highway, and if you uh, don't cover your front grill, at least you have something like this, your radiator will be blocked with these bugs, and it's not efficient anymore. Your car will not be that efficient anymore in terms of cooling down or something else. Like maybe you have turbo that affects the performance as well. So from um, maybe for one season it's not too bad, but in the long run, every summer it clogs up, it accumulates. Lots of bugs will be stuck in there. So it would be nice if you have this. So let's install this right now. Let's go. Actually, I have it installed already. So if you can see there, it's in there. I don't know if it's recording. I think it is. So right now I just need a uh, what's this, zip tie. So we need a zip tie. You need a tool like this to pick that mesh inside because it's too far and it's difficult to work around with your fingers. So let's use this tool and this tool. All right, let's go. Pop the hood. So I already did that. Open the hood or the bonnet, whatever country you are in, you call it bonnet or hood. And good thing my arm would fit here. At least I can work around in there and push the screen from the inside out. So, but I already did that. The front, I only need that for the first one. But since we have the first one, the first zip tie there, we're good to work from the outside. All right, let's go. So it's done. I got the mesh or the front cover or grill installed. It's not that pretty, but it's pretty solid. That's good. That's fine. Well done. Thanks for watching.